Good morning, Hong Kong. Welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101. This week, we're looking at and trying to understand some of the risks a business might face in Hong Kong. For instance, how damaging would it be for your business if you had a computer stolen, or if your client files went missing following a burglary? When it comes to risk, many companies will overlook the risk to their offices and the assets contained in those locations. Whether you're an MNC with offices around the globe or you're a startup with your own space at Cyberport, you cannot afford to overlook the risk of something happening at your workplace. Office contents insurance policies are to business what home contents insurance would be to families and individuals. Simply put, this type of insurance coverage is designed to protect your company against the loss of or damage to things in your office space. But the people working in your office are just as important as the tools and assets you are working with. In fact, for a startup or small partnership, the people working in the company are arguably the organization's biggest assets. Unexpectedly losing a key employee at a small or medium-sized organization can be a catastrophe. And this is compounded when the loss has been a genuine tragedy like a death. Not only will the organization be grieving over their colleague, but the company will also often need to continue without the benefit of that individual's knowledge and or experience. Human beings are irreplaceable, but insurance can help assist with continuity following a critical loss. Keyman Life Insurance is designed to provide a lump sum benefit to a company that has seen a vital employee pass away unexpectedly. This financial assistance can be critical in allowing an organization to continue functioning following a loss, and can even be used as a stopgap to help the business find the alternative expertise needed for operational continuity. But arguably, the most important type of business insurance in Hong Kong is the one which is a mandated purchase for every employer: employees' compensation insurance. Designed to protect businesses from their liability risk should a worker injure themselves in the routine course of their job, employees' compensation insurance, also known as EC cover in Hong Kong or workers' comp elsewhere in the world, is legally required under Hong Kong law. This applies to anyone hiring any person to perform any job in any capacity, even employers who have chosen to hire a domestic helper. Now, EC insurance premiums are calculated based off your employees' salaries, but is generally offered to provide coverage up to 100 million Hong Kong dollars for any one claim event. Unfortunately, some insurance companies do not like certain occupations or industries, so if you have been having a hard time obtaining your legally required employees' compensation insurance, then you may be able to find adequate protection via the Employees Compensation Insurance Residual Scheme Bureau. We've included a link for that in the description. Whether it is the advice you are providing to clients, the possibilities of products you are building malfunctioning, or even the risk you face going to a customer meeting, the coverage options available to protect business interests are diverse and varied. So no matter what risks you and your company may face, insurance can help. That's us for this week. As always, we hope you have a happy and healthy weekend. Remember to like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out. And don't forget to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.